Hi everyone, this is Ranjit. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the sweep option available in Creo. To do this, I'll start a new part and keep all the settings as default. Then there is two methods to create the revolve option. The first one, traditional method, we will create a sketch, and then inside the sketch we will have a cross section and an axis. Then we will come out of the sketch and click the revolve option, complete the revolve. But there is a faster method, that is a second method. You can directly go to revolve and operate it. First I will explain that method, the faster method. Then after that I will explain the traditional method also. So to start the revolve, click on this revolve. It will ask you for the sketch. So you can directly select the plane and you can make it perpendicular to your plane axis of view. Then go to rectangle. This case I'm going to create a rectangle, and one of the important thing, you don't create the rectangle like this. For example, if the rectangle crosses the axis, it won't revolve because it require an axis of revolution. So by default this will be taken as the axis of revolution, and sometimes we need to define it. So whenever you are creating something, make sure it is here, it is not crossing any axis. Then second most important thing, you need to define a center line. Then right click and you must make it as designate axis of revolution, but this is the first center line, so it will be automatically taken as a axis of revolution. Then if you press OK, the revolve is there. Suppose you want to change your axis, you can go back to your sketch, edit. You can go back to your sketch and you can create another center line. Then this case you must right click, long press, then click on this designate axis of revolution. If you press OK, this will be changed to new axis of revolution. Suppose you want one more center line, that is if it is inclined to the sketch, and you can again designate as axis of revolution. You can see the axis of revolution is changed, and you can also control the angle. For example, if it is 180, this will be the angle, and you can also use this to remove material. You can also use this to sketch, thicken the sketch, which means a hollow tube like things. And this is the faster method. And the next is a traditional method. In the traditional method, you will select a plane and go for sketch, and you will create a shape here. The same rules applies to this method also, because you don't have to, your sketch must not cross the axis. Then you will create a center line, then right click and designate axis of revolution, then press OK. Then you have one axis, then your sketch. Go for revolve, it will be revolved. All the previous options will be activated here. Okay. Let me know if you have any doubts. Feel free to post your questions in the comment section. I will address them to the best of my knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for updates, and please share your comments and likes. They really encourage me to keep going. And I'm going to release a lot of videos related to solid modeling, simulation, structural analysis, computational fluid dynamics. Thank you.